What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you my car collection in Vehicle Legends. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, I spawned in the game and I need a good location to show you my car collection. And bro, why did they make all the Bugattis so ugly? So apparently something happened with Bugatti and Vehicle Legends, and something happened, and then they had to change the design because I think someone called Bugatti and said, "Oh, Vehicle Legends, that is a game in Roblox, is copying your designs without your permission. Please check on them." And so that Nord complained to Bugatti. I guess this happened. Complained to Bugatti, and then Bugatti said to Roblox that, "Oh, don't copy our designs without our permission." And then Roblox changed all the Bugattis that looked super cool in these cars. Bro, why? Okay, so I think I found the perfect location. And as you guys know, Shaurya, which is my friend, my best friend in real life, also made a video about. In that video, he showed my entire car collection to you by logging into my account. So yeah, the mostly car collection, mostly most of my car collection just changed now. Let's get started. So yeah, this is my first car, Volkswagen Golf GTI. I don't use it. I only use it for role playing. My second car, Lotus Emira. This this car gave me all the cars that I have today. GG to this car. My third car is a limited edition Toyota Grip GR Supra. Good car, not good top speed, and not good interior. Bro, interior is same. They should have something. They should have added or removed something from the interior. My fourth car is the McLaren MP412C. It has a nice sound and I use it for fun. My fifth car, Chevrolet Corvette C8 Z06. Look at how fast it revs. Like literally, bro, going from here to here is like 4 gears. This is my sixth car, Porsche 718 RS. Am I right? Spider RS, Porsche 718 Spider RS. The roof comes down. My seventh car is the bigger brother of the 718, Porsche 911 GT3. I have owned a GT3 RS, but I sold it. I didn't like it. Yeah. My eighth car is the McLaren Artura, and hear this car sound. It's nice. And I lost the count on my cars. My ninth car is this Chevrolet Corvette C7 ZR1. I don't use it now, but I don't sell it because I don't know why. My 10th car is this McLaren 600 LT. I use this for fun and nothing else. And bro, look at its nitro. It's so cool. And I lost count again. My 11th car, oh wait. My 11th car is this Audi R8, which I mostly use for role playing and nothing else. R8 V10 rear wheel drive. My 12th car, or wait a minute, bro, I lost count again. Yeah, my 12th car is the McLaren 720S Spider. Look at that. Nice. My 13th car is again a McLaren, but a 765 LT, not a Spider, just the LT. My 14th car is this McLaren 728 GT3 that was literally added to the game today and I bought it. You heard the sound of it, bro. Warning to the headphone users. My 15th car is this Volkswagen SP2. The engine is literally in the rear. My god, that is crazy. My 16th car is a Porsche Carrera GT, and this car needs no information, bro. No introduction, but information. Hear the sound of it, guys. My 17th car is this limited edition Pumpkin Reaper. Yeah, it's very slow, but at least it is limited. My 18th car is this Porsche 718. Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS Club Sport. And this car literally has a top speed of 400 kilometers per hour, bro. And has only one seat. The McLaren 720 GT3 only had one seat. Lol. So, next car, 19th car, is this McLaren Elva. And you see everything out of the front. Lol. Because it doesn't have a windshield. My 20th car is the successor. My 20th car is a successor to the Porsche Carrera GT, the Porsche 918 Cayman. And wait a minute, guys. This is the McLaren Elva, and you can see everything from the front because it has no windshield. Right? Now, the Apollo IE, I think is the 21st car. I use it for grinding in desert. Hear its sound. My 22nd car is this W Motors Lykan Hypersport. Yeah, boy. It only looks cool like this. Wait, what? What? Bro, why are the buttons of this not showing to open the doors and things? Okay, my 23rd car is this Apollo Project Evo. Take a listen to its sound. It's a similar sound to the Apollo IE, guys. My last and the least, the Poid Inferno. It looks so bad, yaar. Why? Bro, why? Okay, now, thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.